Cox Internet when you add Cox Mobile and get fiber-powered internet at home and unbeatable 5G reliability on the go. So whether you're playing a game at home,
yes,
cool, or attending one live, you can do more without spending more. Learn how to save with Cox.com/internet. Cox Internet is connected to the premises via coaxial cable. Cox Mobile runs on the network with unbeatable 5G reliability as measured by Ookla LLC in the U.S. to H 2023. Results may vary, not an endorsement. Other restrictions apply.
If it's great TV, it must be CBS Thursday. The night starts at 8/7 Central with Georgie and Mandy's first marriage.
You really want to prefer to confirm? I am what you call a catch.
Then it's Ghosts. Years
So they watching people running the light too.
Next up, it's TV's #1 new series.
They walkie-talkies, letting the cop that's sitting over there know.
CBS Thursday. New episodes premiere tonight at 8/7 Central. Next to Paramount Plus. Pros trust the Home Depot for heavy-duty storage solutions for any job site or garage. Right now, get up to 25% off select online storage and organization. Import, water resistant totes, and shelving built to hold up to 2,500 pounds. Storage systems have space for all your tools and protect them in the garage or on the job site and everywhere in between.
Four down there in establishment. Four down there.
I mean, for what? For what? Like, what are you
Doing the speed limit.
I ain't going nowhere. Tripping. Hey, it's tripping.
Turn right, then turn right.
Ahora $10 por galón de pintura para interiores Stainmaster Performance. ¿Aún no eres miembro? ¿Qué esperas? Únete hoy gratis y obtén acceso instantáneo a las ofertas de My Lowe's Reward Suite. Programa de lealtad sujeto a términos y condiciones. Detalles en Lowe's.com.
Turn right. Our daughter Jessie loves playing detective. A clue.
But since we discovered she has sensitive skin, we've been playing detective too.
We thought the problem was our puppy.
But it was actually our old detergent.
Aha.
So we switched to Tide Free and Gentle. Tide cleans better than the leading
Where's that patrol?
container.
The reason for the stop. Notice when you came up to the red light, you had your phone in your hand. You got your license?
I don't have my phone in my hand. I got a camera in my
Okay, you got
phone
your
there.
license.
Got to be clean.
Did you see the guy standing out by the road?
I got a camera in the phone there.
Did you see the guy
I
standing
did
out by
not
the
have
road?
my phone in my hand.
Okay. All right, you still live at 66?
I do.
All right, hang tight.
I know I didn't. You lying.
More tips at georgiapower.com/energy efficiency today. Ready, set, save.
Run a business and not thinking about podcasting?
Thank you.
Think again. More Americans listen to podcasts than ad-supported streaming music from Spotify and Pandora. And as the number one podcaster, iHeart's twice as large as the next two combined. So whatever your customers listen to, they'll hear your message. Plus, only iHeart can extend your message to audiences across broadcast radio. Think podcasting can help your business? Think iHeart. Streaming, radio, and podcasting. Let us show you at iHeartAdvertising.com. That's iHeartAdvertising.com.
Jim was at the laundromat when he heard his ear said Morocco, senor, but his nose said, "Hey, precious," said Dever. Following his nose, Jim found a man throwing green scent beads into the washer.
That's why you gotta have a camera. Cause they be lying.
Sir, you're lying.
Police be lying.
You talking to me? You have my phone.
I got a whole camera. It's documented. That's why I got one. For shit like that. Cause they be lying.
Detergent alone.
Vaporize your cold with NyQuil Vapor Cool. It's NyQuil plus a rush of Vicks vapors. Wow. NyQuil Vapor Cool, the vaporizing, nighttime sniffling, sneezing, coughing, fever, best sleep with a cold medicine. Use as directed. Keep out of your children. You're listening to The Weeknd. The Weeknd. Long-awaited new album, Hurry Up, tomorrow is coming and about to shock the world. And iHeartRadio is celebrating with that exclusive.
All right, you are going to get a ticket. Any questions, call this number, paid on to that website. Sign here, send you a copy of the citation. I'll make you
my phone in my yard stripping for real. Like, y'all stripping. What do I got to do? Do I got to sign this?
You can sign it.
Do I have to sign this?
Yes, sir. You have to go to the jail. Actually, can you leave it together for me? Thank you, sir. Drive safe.